Hello everybody on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing an iPhone 12. It's going to be a nice blue one. So let's get right into the video. Right out of the box we got a nice blue phone. Dark blue. Really nice quality. Now it's time for that moment everybody loves. Beautiful. Right out of the box you get a cord, and that's all that comes with it. And it comes with this instruction booklet and one Apple sticker. As you can see, the package is a lot thinner this year. Doesn't come with a cube like it used to. And the cord is now USB-C. Thank you for watching.